Hi everyone, my name is Swati Soni. I'm a product manager by profession and I love creating functional pieces of software. Today I want to show you the habit tracker that I have been using to track my daily habits. So let's get to it. So when you open this spreadsheet, uh, this is the daily sheet. It will show you the current date. Currently the data here is some sample data. So just assume the date is 20th May 2024. These are the current habits that I'm tracking. And these are the daily targets. So like walk for 5,000 steps every day, journal every day, read 20 pages every day, like that. You can also see the weekly target completion. You can also see the monthly average target completion. So till now in May, I have done 3916 steps on an average daily rather than 5,000 steps. So it can help you actually, update your target accordingly. We have some goals here as well. So every day, 10 days per month, 2 days per 3 days, 4 days per week. You can set it however you like. We will get to how to set these goals and some other progress details here that I'll tell you later. Okay. So what I actually need to do is just update the value for today. So say I walked 4,000 steps today. So I'll just write 4,000 here. And okay, I'll also get a feedback here that it is updated. I journal today, so I'll just update that. There's no daily target for journaling. So whenever you make a change, you will always get an update. So you know what's happening. Say I read 20 pages today, no deep work, and also meditated. So update that. Actually, say I actually did some deep work for 100 minutes. I accidentally entered it, but you can always delete it, and you will also get an update that it has been deleted. See here. Okay. So you can see the whole week here, but say you want to go back to the previous week and view and edit those data, you can click on this navigation checkboxes here. When you click on previous, it will take you a week back and you can see the data. You can also update this data. So say I want to remove this meditate on 11th May, right? I'll get that feedback. I can keep going back if I want to. Mhm. And you can similarly, I can go next to go ahead. And when you're done doing all this, you can anytime click on today and come back to the current date. Now, as I mentioned, you can view your daily target, your average daily target completion, your goals. You can also see what's the monthly goal count, monthly goal progress, and the overall progress. So overall progress is basically your goal progress based on the count as well as uh, your daily average daily target completion. So if this is lesser, your overall progress will be a slightly less than your goal progress. But if I want to see more detail of my progress, I can always go to the progress detail page. Here you can see I have selected the habit walk and I want to plot it daily. And you can see the data here, target value, monthly average completion, goal count, goal progress, and cumulative overall progress. Here I'm can see 12 days, but I can still, even here you have these navigation checkboxes, so you can go back in time and see. You can see the graph for the goal count, overall progress, and also your average target completion. And I can keep going back as much as I want, and I can always come back to today. Not just daily, you can also see your weekly progress. So every week, how much target completion, your goal progress, overall progress. And you can also see your monthly progress. So here we are in May. So in January, did 4142 steps as against 5,000 steps. That was my target. My goal was every day. That's why my goal progress. So I did only 14 days of walking. So my progress is 45%. And you can check that for other habits as well. So journal, you don't have the target completion because there is no target, no daily target, right? Similarly, for this is for read, this is for meditation, Okay, now we can go to the habit section. So this is where you actually add or delete or edit your habits. So these are the habits. You can see journal and meditate are not measurable, whereas walk, read, and deep work are measurable. You can enter, you can see the daily target and the units, and here you can set the goal frequency. If it's every day, you just click on this checkbox. Otherwise, you can do this. Let me add a new habit here and show you. So you click on this checkbox that says add habit, and a new habit will be added here. You can write whatever. Say the habit is workout, right? And I am leaving it not measurable, but I don't want to do it every day. Say I just want to do it every other day. So one day per 2 days. So you add, so you can add the habit here and it will be added here. So you can see workout is here. If you did it, you can mark it and you can see the goals. It will be there in your progress details as well. So I can select workout, and obviously it just done one workout in May and right now, anytime if you want, you can also obviously change uh, the target. So for example, we saw walk target was 5,000, but I just want to change it to 4,000. It will make those changes. I can see now the target is 4,000 steps. So accordingly, my goal progress and my progress details would be changed. Sorry, my target completion would change. Okay, going back to habits. And if you want to delete some habit, you can simply click on this and it will delete the date. It'll ask you if there's some data, it'll ask you, do you want to delete this habit? You can click on yes, and it will be deleted. It will be deleted from everywhere, right? Okay, so this is it. You can download this sheet with the link in the description box, and it is absolutely free. Okay, before you do that, please like or subscribe, and also let me show you how you can set this sheet for yourself. Okay, so see, currently it has some sample data. You download it, you make a copy. It's important to make a copy because it will be view only, right? So you make a copy, you rename it. Like I renamed it to Swati's Habit Hacker, and you can play with the data. You can see how it works. And when you are done with it and you want to start using it, just click on this reset spreadsheet. It will delete all the, it will first ask you that do you really want to do it, and you click on yes, and it will delete all the habits, it will delete all the data, it will reset the date to the current date, and clear everything out. And then you just need to go to the habits tab and just add your habits. Like I want to add workout, sorry, um I want to add one more, say meanwhile, I don't need workout to be measurable. I don't want to do it every day. I'll do it, say, 3 days in a week. And I'll just add one more right now. So say read. Oh, sorry, read. And I want to make it measurable. The unit would be pages. Target would be say 50 pages. And let's leave it to every day. So this is it. You set your habits once, and every day you open the sheet and say you worked out. Okay, something is wrong here. Oh, so you worked out and you read. Oh, you read 50 pages, say. And you can also, okay, there's one more tip that I want to give you. So in case you want to add habits for January, previous dates, one way is you go previous and you update it every week. There is one shortcut. You can actually go to the data sheet. This is where all the data is stored. I should have shown it to you earlier. Um, so here you can actually say true, true. You can add the data in a go. So this is the current date. So say you did something on Tuesday, Wednesday, 20 pages. So it's a faster way to do it in a go. And then when you click on today, it will actually fetch all that and display that to you here. See, I do not suggest it, but if you want, you can definitely do it. You can also this use this spreadsheet to track your daily tasks or any or something for your studies or any activities that you want to do. So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create any specific videos on using app script, using checkboxes as navigation, calling functions, or anything you like. And have a great day.